to a rather crucial story, a development that we've been tracking for now the 10th day. Now, even after the 10 grueling days, the 41 workers still remain trapped in Uttarkashi. In a latest development, inside visuals from the tunnel have been accessed, and the video shows that the trapped workers are safe and healthy. Solid food was also supplied to these trapped workers after 10 days. And khichdi and dal was sent inside the tunnel through a 6-inch pipeline. A team of army engineers have been kept on standby, and efforts are still on to build an access road at the top of the hill above the Silkyara tunnel for initiating the vertical drilling to reach the 41 trapped workers. And these are the details we are consistently bringing you with regards to the Uttarkashi tunnel mishap that's taken place. And right now we have some reactions within the story. Do have a look at that first.
What is the exact operation that is going on, and when can we expect these people to come on? That is the question that the entire country is asking at this point, sir.
Yeah, I understand why everyone's asking that question. And look, what we've got multiple methods currently underway to get these men home. And what you've seen yesterday is the result of incredible amount of work from the team up there on the mountain. It's been 9 days, and it's been 9 days with a lot of careful planning analysis to find out what's going on inside that mountain, and to make sure not only do we get those men out alive, but the rescuers are safe too. And when I arrived here, I said those men are coming home. Those men will be coming home. We're not there yet. But yesterday, what we've achieved, getting that pipe through, and now the endoscope through, and better food through, and the whole world can see those men are alive. Now that's proven to us that we can get through that mass. So you'll see different things happening today now that we've been able to prove that. We've got a project, of course, coming down from the top, project from the side, project from the back, multiple projects from the front. One of them is going to do it. One of them is going to be the way these men come home. And as I've said since I got here, they were dancing. They were dancing at Diwali when they went in, and they'll be home and able to sing Christmas carols as well. Exactly when, I'm not sure, but it's going to happen.
भेजा जाना है वो पहुंच चुका है अंदर?
यस, पहुंच चुका। 150 mm पाइपलाइन।
क्या-क्या उसके जरिए मजदूरों तक जा सकता है?
सबसे पहले खाना भेजेंगे, उनसे वहां से और क्लियर बात भी हो सकेगी। मोबाइल्स भेज देंगे, चार्जर्स भेज देंगे, है ना? और मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मेरे दोस्त लखनऊ में, उनके पास कोई डिवाइस है जो कि फोकस्ड कोई बीम भेज करके अंदर वाईफाई चालू कर सकते हैं। ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे हैं वो आएंगे यहाँ, ट्रायल्स करेंगे हम, और उसको फिर उसको एक्टिवेट करेंगे।
डीआरडीओ का रोबोट भी अंदर काम कर रहा है।
डीआरडीओ का रोबोट अंदर गया हुआ है ढूंढने के लिए कि ऊपर से कहीं और कोई एक्सेस है जहां से कुछ और ऑप्शंस को हम एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं।
मजदूरों तक हम लोगों की पहुंच आसान हो चुकी है।
यस, बिल्कुल आसान हो चुकी है। अब मजदूर बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे।
बंद करो, वीडियो बंद करो।
Visuals that we are showing you, this is from the inside of the tunnel. Remember what we were just bringing you, the mega breakthrough that has taken place within this case is the fact that a 6-inch pipeline was finally been able to be inserted in the tunnel, so that now there is a better communication that has been established with the 41 workers who are stuck there. Of course, efforts are still on to make sure that, like the experts were just saying, that a DRDO robot has also been inserted there to make to understand the particular geography of the area and understand whether there is any other access that could be received to drill a hole through that tunnel to make sure that these 41 workers come out. But the experts look quite confident about the fact that definitely an effort will be made and they will be successful in this particular effort to take out the 41 workers. Right now we have Anshul Singh, who has constantly been bringing us the latest updates from Uttarkashi. And Anshul, coming to you, good morning to you. Well, firstly, do bring us the latest updates of after the pipeline has been established, food has been sent. What is the latest that we are getting from the field there?
So yes, finally the biggest breakthrough that has happened over the last 10 days, the lifeline pipe has finally been inserted. This 6-inch pipe is proving to be a lifeline that has motivated not only the people who are stuck inside, but also the rescue workers who have been working relentlessly for the past 10 days now. Now this pipe that has been inserted, this pipe is actually proving to be a lifeline. For the first time, solid food has been given to them. We have seen how that food was being prepared, and in bottles that food was filled, and then it was inserted through that pipe. So the kind of progress that has been made has definitely motivated the rescue workers, because over the last 10 days we were seeing that it was coming across that this entire debris is almost impenetrable because of the kind of terrain that it had. Remember, there were a lot inside the debris. There were a lot of metal pieces, heavy machinery that was stuck inside, and even after that, the first 6-inch pipe has been drilled. Now the biggest challenge is to drill that 900 millimeter pipe through the debris. Remember, 22 meters of it has already been drilled in through the American auger machine. Approximately 40 meters needs to be drilled now to make sure that this pipe reaches inside, and once this pipe reaches inside, we can expect that these people will start coming out. It actually shows the visuals that has been accessed by CNN from inside the tunnel. It actually shows that how people inside who have been stuck more than 240 hours now are actually very, very confident. Morale is high, and especially after the lifeline pipe that has reached inside, definitely boosted the confidence of the people who are inside. And also a big development that has happened, that a weatherproof communication channel has been established between the workers and the rescuers, which means that the communication will now be constant, and hence if at all the people inside have any of the issues, they can actually communicate with the people outside now. So yes, definitely developments have happened. What is expected today? In the next few hours, the cleaning process of that pipeline, food pipeline is ongoing, and food is being sent on at this point in time. Today as well, from the vertical point, the drilling is expected to start. We heard the experts, they are saying that the place that they have found right above the tunnel, it seems like that God has actually gifted them that place, and from there the drilling process will start. It is absolutely perfect to start the drilling process, but the terrain of the mountain is something that is very, very challenging, and that terrain is something that cannot be seen anywhere across the globe, and hence drilling through that 90 meters of the mountain is something that is a very, very challenging start. But yes, the rescuers are not losing hope at this point in time. The workers are not losing hope. But yes, as we have been reporting, that the easiest way and the quickest way to get through to the workers who are stuck inside through the drilling through the debris. The drilling process of the debris is going to start within the next few minutes, is what we have been confirmed from people who are working inside. So once the American auger machine starts to work, we can expect that within the next 22 to 36 hours, we could get the best news that people have started to come out.
Right, Anshul, do stay with us. Right now, we will get some more context for our viewers out there with regards to what has been causing the delay in this entire rescue operation that has been ongoing for the last 10 days now. If we just bring you some more insights with regards to what is happening. Firstly, the falling debris has increased a build-up that is brought about. That is what has caused a lot of complications. The terrain, as my colleague Anshul Singh was also bringing to you, the terrain is such that the consistent falling debris has been a major problem. Now, machines have been breaking down in that area. Like he was mentioning, the American auger machine is there, but there has been a lot of complications with the kind of machinery that is also being used, because those are consistently breaking down. Now, the time it takes to transport machines is also a factor that we are looking at here, because the kind of machines, these are heavy machinery that we are talking about, and it takes quite a bit of time to transport these machines and make sure that they reach the location in the first place for the operations to continue. Now, the mountain terrain is the biggest challenge for the workers there, for all the agencies. The mountain terrain is what is causing the maximum trouble, because the kind of debris that have constantly been falling the minute they are starting to drill. Now, drilling through these rocks is an obstacle, because this is, remember, this is the Himalayan mountain terrain, one of the trickiest to deal with, as Arnold Dix, who is the international tunneling expert there, has also been telling us. So these are the major reasons that has been causing the consistent delay with this particular operation that has been ongoing for the last 10 days. Now, we will go back to Anshul Singh, who just bring us the latest updates from there. Anshul, if we get into the technicalities of the situation there right now, since we already have a 6-inch pipe that has already been inserted, does that increase the hope that yes, further drilling is possible in the area, or does it complicate the situation because now debris have further in that area, as we were just bringing to our audience?
So yes, this 6-inch lifeline pipe is what the name suggests, is definitely the lifeline pipe, and definitely this has given a lot of hope to the people, especially to the rescuers, because before this pipe was being drilled through at least twice. There was trials that happened, and this pipe was being drilled through at least twice, but this pipe was not able to get through. Now finally this pipe has gone through, and hence it has given a lot of hope to the rescuers that this entire debris is actually penetrable. Now the American auger machine that was at work initially, the work had stopped for at least 2.5 days post the earthquake that came here in Uttarkashi and seismic activities that were happening. The American auger machine was stopped. What has happened after that? The rescuers have made sure that the entire tunnel is structured in such a way again that the people who are actually working outside, who are rescuing these people, they also remain safe, and the people who are inside also remain safe. Now this structuring that has happened, actually concrete blocks have been placed right above the 900 mm pipe, and once this concrete block has been placed, the pipe will start drilling through, which would mean that even if the debris falls on that pipe will not get damaged. The debris will come out to the place where the rescuers are working. So the rescuers are now making sure that the entire safety procedures are now followed to the T, so that this entire process that is going on, this entire operation that is going on, that doesn't hamper the speed of this. So yes, it remains to be seen as to how quickly can this American auger machine start to rework, because this is the quickest way that the rescuers can reach where the workers are stuck, whereas plans of excavating the workers from other ends is also going on. Today the vertical drilling process is also going to start. The horizontal drilling process is the work on that is also going to start, whereas the work on the other end of the tunnel has also started. So yes, from 5 ends the work is ongoing, but yes, as you mentioned, the biggest challenge is the terrain. The kind of terrain that over here in Uttarkashi is definitely proving to be a Herculean task for the people to make sure that especially the rescue workers who are working, their life remains in safety, as well as they relentlessly continue to make sure that they take out the people who are stuck inside for more than 240 hours now.
Right, Anshul. Anshul, thank you for bringing us all those details with regards to the operations that are ongoing at Uttarkashi currently.